If you're new to investing and trying to decide between Robinhood and Wealthsimple, you're not alone. These two platforms are among the most popular options for beginners in the US and Canada. But they're very different, and the right choice depends on what kind of investor you want to be. Let's start with Robinhood. It became popular for one big reason: zero commission trading. It made buying stocks and ETFs easy, fast, and free, and it appealed to younger, tech-savvy investors. On Robinhood, you can buy individual stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto, all from a sleek mobile app with a simple interface. But Robinhood has also faced criticism. It's been accused of encouraging risky trading behavior, especially with options and meme stocks. The platform is very self-directed, which means you get no financial advice or guidance. If you're new and don't know what you're doing, that can be dangerous. Now let's talk about Wealthsimple. It's often called the Canadian equivalent of Robinhood, but in reality, it's more like a hybrid between a robo-advisor and a brokerage. Wealthsimple offers both hands-off automated investing and self-directed trading, but it's geared more toward long-term investing than fast-paced trading. With Wealthsimple Invest, you can set up a portfolio based on your goals, and it will automatically rebalance and reinvest dividends for you. It's perfect for people who want to invest but don't want to pick stocks. On the other hand, Wealthsimple Trade allows commission-free stock and ETF trading, similar to Robinhood, but with a simpler feature set and fewer assets. Here's where the difference really shows. If you're in the United States, Robinhood is available, but Wealthsimple is not. If you're in Canada, Wealthsimple is the go-to, and Robinhood isn't offered there at all. That means your location might already make the decision for you. But if you're in a position to choose, ask yourself this: do you want to actively trade and pick your own stocks? Or do you want your money managed for you with little effort? Robinhood is ideal for the DIY investor who wants full control and is willing to take on more risk. Wealthsimple is better for the long-term investor who wants simplicity, automation, and some peace of mind. It's also more transparent in how it makes money, whereas Robinhood has faced controversy over its payment for order flow model. Both platforms offer fractional shares, both are mobile-friendly, and both are beginner-friendly, but they serve different types of investors. So which one is better? That depends on your goals. If you want to learn, explore the markets, and try your hand at trading, Robinhood might suit you. If you want to grow wealth over time without watching the market daily, Wealthsimple is probably the better choice. If this helped clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Cash Blueprint for more content that makes money simple, smart, and accessible. Thanks for watching.